Are you too busy for the gym but tired of that stubborn belly fat holding you back? By following along with this workout, you are choosing to participate at your own risk. Stop immediately if you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort. Modify exercises as needed and listen to your body. You're not alone. Most people think they need hours every day to see results, but today I'm going to prove you wrong. In just 10 minutes a day right in your living room, you can start blasting belly fat, sculpting your core, and boosting your energy without equipment, without dieting, and without wasting time. Stick with me until the end because this routine is designed for busy people like you who want fast, real results. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to today's workout, my friends. If you've clicked on this video, chances are you're looking for a simple, realistic, and time-friendly way to deal with belly fat. And let's be honest, belly fat is one of the most frustrating things to get rid of. It doesn't just change how our clothes fit, but it also chips away at our confidence, our energy levels, and sometimes even our health. And if you're someone with a busy schedule, long work hours, or family responsibilities, finding the time to hit the gym for an hour just isn't realistic. That's why this workout exists. It's created especially for you, the busy person who still wants to look good, feel good, and take control of your body in just 10 minutes a day. Think about it for a moment. How many times have you told yourself you'll start working out once you find the time? The truth is, time doesn't appear magically. You have to make time, but the good news is you don't need hours. Research shows that short, high-intensity targeted workouts can burn calories, boost metabolism, and fire up your fat-burning engine more effectively than many long, drawn-out sessions. That's exactly what we're doing today. In just 10 minutes, we're going to engage multiple muscle groups, raise your heart rate, and specifically target that stubborn belly area. Now here's the thing, belly fat isn't just about looks. Carrying excess fat around the midsection is linked to health risks like diabetes, heart disease, and low energy. But let's not just focus on the negatives. Here's the positive side. Every single time you choose to move, even for just 10 minutes, you're taking back control. You're telling your body that you care, that your health matters, and that you won't let busyness stop you from becoming the best version of yourself. That's powerful. What makes this routine different is that it's designed for real life. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need hours of free time. You just need enough space to move and the determination to stay with me for the next 10 minutes. Each exercise I'll show you is chosen because it maximizes fat burning while tightening and toning your core. And don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll explain each move step by step so you can follow along safely. If you're more advanced, I'll also give you ways to push yourself harder. I want you to imagine this: just 10 minutes a day. That's less than the time you spend scrolling on your phone, less than the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, less than the time you spend waiting in line at the grocery store. Imagine what could happen if, instead of letting those 10 minutes slip away, you invested them into your body, your health, and your confidence. Over weeks, those 10 minutes compound into hours, and hours compound into results. And before you know it, you'll notice your jeans fitting better, your belly looking slimmer, and your energy lasting longer throughout the day. Here's my promise to you: if you stay with me until the very end of this video, you're going to leave not just with a workout, but with a spark of motivation that will push you to come back tomorrow, and the next day, and the next. Because fitness isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And this routine is one that anyone can stick to, no matter how busy life gets. So if you're ready to say goodbye to excuses, if you're ready to finally target that stubborn belly fat without needing to carve out hours from your day, then let's dive right in. Stay with me through all 10 exercises, give it your best, and I promise you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more in control by the end. Let's get started. Exercise 1. High knees. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the simplest but most effective belly fat burners: high knees. This exercise looks easy at first, but don't be fooled. Within seconds, your heart rate will climb, your core will switch on, and your entire body will wake up. High knees are basically running in place, but with a powerful twist. You're driving your knees up toward your chest as high as you can. This move not only torches calories, it also directly engages your abs, especially the lower belly area where stubborn fat loves to hide. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Now start jogging in place, but instead of letting your knees stay low, drive them up toward your chest one after the other, as if you're trying to touch your rib cage with your thighs. Pump your arms like you're sprinting. This will keep your rhythm steady and help you burn even more calories. Focus on keeping your core tight, back straight, and land softly on the balls of your feet. Aim for speed, but remember, form comes first. If you're just starting out, you can slow it down and march your knees high instead of running. If you're more advanced, just challenge yourself to go all out for 30 seconds, rest for 10 and repeat. Within just a minute you'll feel your abs firing, your lungs working, and your body temperature rising. That's exactly what we want, short bursts of intensity that force your body to tap into fat stores. High knees are the perfect way to kickstart this 10-minute workout because they instantly wake up your metabolism and put your body in fat-burning mode. Ready? Drive those knees high, push yourself, and remember every rep is one step closer to a slimmer, stronger you. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Next up is a fat-blasting favorite, mountain climbers. This move is like sprinting horizontally, and it's one of the fastest ways to get your heart pumping while engaging every muscle in your core. Not only does it burn calories at lightning speed, but it also builds endurance and sculpts your abs. Here's how you do it. Get into a high plank position with your hands placed firmly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, your back flat, and your gaze slightly forward. Now drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs as if you're running against the floor. The key is speed and control. Don't let your hips sag or bounce too high. For beginners, slow it down and step your knees in one at a time. For a challenge, go as fast as you can while maintaining form. Try 30 seconds of all-out effort, rest for 10 seconds, then repeat. Mountain climbers aren't just about burning belly fat, they strengthen your arms, shoulders, and legs at the same time. Think of them as a full-body cardio and an exercise rolled into one. Within moments you'll feel your abs ignite, your lungs expand, and your heart racing. That's your body working hard, your metabolism revving up, and fat burning in action. Push through the burn because every second you hold this position is building your core strength and shredding calories. Stay strong, keep those knees pumping, and remember, climbing mountains builds champions. Exercise 3. Plank jacks. Now let's fire up your abs and get that cardio burn with plank jacks. This move combines the core stability of a plank with the calorie-burning power of jumping jacks. It's a killer combination that targets belly fat while strengthening your shoulders, arms, and lower back. Start in a high plank position, hands under your shoulders, body straight, core tight. Now instead of holding still, jump your feet out wide like you're doing a jumping jack, then quickly jump them back together. Keep your hips low and your abs pulled in the entire time. The movement should be quick, controlled, and continuous. If jumping feels too intense at first, step one foot out to the side, then back in and repeat with the other leg. For an advanced variation, increase your speed or hold your plank on your forearms to target your core even more. Plank jacks are a fat-burning powerhouse because they combine strength training and cardio in one move. You're holding your body weight in a plank, which builds muscle and stability while your legs are jumping, which keeps your heart rate high. That means double the calorie burn in half the time. As you do this exercise, imagine your belly tightening with each jump, your core getting stronger, and your endurance growing. It's tough, but it's worth it. The burn you feel is the transformation happening inside you. Stay focused, push through, and let your body surprise you with how strong it really is. Exercise 4. Standing oblique crunches. It's time to target those side abs, the obliques, with standing oblique crunches. This move is a great break from floor work, and it helps define your waistline while keeping your heart rate elevated. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, and place your hands behind your head like you're about to do a crunch. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow while bringing your elbow down to meet it. Squeeze your oblique muscles as you crunch. Return to standing and repeat on the other side. Keep alternating, moving with control but also with energy. Beginners can slow down and focus on form, while advanced exercisers can add speed or even hold a light weight behind the head for resistance. Why is this exercise so effective? Because it directly attacks love handles and side belly fat, those stubborn areas that traditional crunches often miss. At the same time, it works your balance and coordination, and since you're standing, it engages your legs and glutes too. As you crunch side to side, imagine carving out a tighter waistline and stronger core. Every squeeze is sculpting your midsection, every rep is burning calories, and every minute is bringing you closer to the body you want. Stay tall, stay strong, and keep crunching. You'll thank yourself later. Exercise 5. Flutter kicks. Now let's lie down and attack that lower belly fat with flutter kicks. This move looks simple, but the burn is real, and it's one of the most effective ways to strengthen the lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your hands under your glutes for support. Lift both legs a few inches off the floor, keeping them straight. Now kick your legs up and down in a fluttering motion like you're swimming. Keep your core tight and your lower back pressed into the mat. Don't let it arch. Beginners can keep their legs slightly higher for more control, while advanced exercisers should keep them just above the floor for maximum intensity. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat. Flutter kicks are powerful because they isolate the lower abdominal muscles, which are usually the hardest to target. At the same time, keeping your legs elevated forces your core to work non-stop. This means more strength, more definition, and faster fat burning. As you kick, focus on your breathing, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. It will help you stay steady and push through the burn. Yes, it's tough, but that fire in your core is exactly what you need to melt stubborn belly fat. Picture your lower abs tightening, your core getting stronger, and your body transforming with every kick. Don't quit early, you're stronger than you think. Exercise 6. Russian twists. Now it's time to twist and shred with Russian twists. This move is fantastic for your obliques, upper abs, and lower abs all in one. Plus, the twisting motion helps tone your waistline while keeping your core engaged the entire time. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core tight. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Now lift your feet a few inches off the floor if you can and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, tapping the floor lightly each time. Beginners can keep their feet on the ground for more stability. Advanced exercisers can hold a dumbbell, water bottle, or any household item for added resistance. The Russian twist is so effective because it combines rotation and balance. Your abs have to work double time to keep you steady while you twist side to side. That means more calorie burn and more definition around your waist. As you twist, don't rush, focus on squeezing your abs and controlling the movement. Imagine wringing out every ounce of stubborn fat from your midsection with each twist. Feel your body working, your heart rate climbing, and your strength growing. This is the move that sculpts, burns, and transforms. Exercise 7. Jump squats. Now let's crank up the intensity with jump squats. This move might feel like it's all legs, but it's actually a powerful fat-burning exercise that engages your entire core. Explosive moves like this trigger what's called the afterburn effect, meaning your body keeps burning calories even after the workout. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat, hips back, chest up, core engaged. From here, explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and sink straight back into the squat to repeat. If you're a beginner, stick to bodyweight squats without the jump. If you're advanced, aim for maximum height and speed. Jump squats work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, but here's the magic: they also demand a strong, stable core to keep you balanced. That means your abs are working overtime even though you might not feel it right away. And since this is a plyometric move, it torches calories fast, helping to shrink that belly fat. Yes, it's tough, but it's worth it. Imagine every jump lifting you closer to your goals, every landing making you stronger, and every squat sculpting your body. Push through, land soft, and keep going. The burn you feel is the transformation happening inside you. Exercise 8. Bicycle crunches. Time for a classic ab crusher, bicycle crunches. This move is one of the most effective for hitting your entire core, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Plus, the pedaling motion mimics cycling, making it dynamic and fun. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted off the floor. Bring your right knee towards your chest while twisting your torso so your left elbow touches that knee. Then switch sides, left knee and right elbow across. Continue pedaling back and forth in a controlled, steady rhythm. Beginners can keep their feet slightly higher for control. Advanced exercisers should extend their legs fully and move quickly without losing form. Why does this work so well? Because the twist engages your obliques, the crunch hits your upper abs, and the leg extension works your lower abs all at once. It's like 3 of moves combined into one powerful exercise. As you pedal, focus on slow, controlled twists. Don't just move your elbows, really rotate your torso and squeeze your abs. The more you connect your mind to your muscles, the better your results. Picture your waist getting tighter, your abs becoming more defined, and that stubborn belly fat finally burning away. Stay strong and keep pedaling, your dream core is closer than you think. Exercise 9. Burpees. Now it's time for the king of fat-burning moves, burpees. Love them or hate them, nothing torches calories, builds strength, and shreds belly fat faster than burpees. Here's how to do it. Start standing tall. Drop down into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and jump your feet back into a plank. From here, do a quick push-up if you can. Then jump your feet back to your hands, stand up, and explode into a jump with your arms overhead. That's 1 rep. Beginners can skip the push-up or the jump. Advanced exercisers should go full out, adding the push-up and jumping as high as possible. Burpees are incredible because they combine strength, cardio, and core training all at once. You're working your chest, arms, legs, and most importantly your abs to stabilize your body through each phase. Yes, they're tough, but that's exactly why they work. Every rep pushes you past your your comfort zone, and that's where real change happens. As you push through, remind yourself you're not just burning calories, you're building discipline, strength, and confidence. Stay committed, keep moving, and don't quit. Your body is stronger than your mind thinks. Exercise 10. Side plank with hip dips. Let's finish strong with side plank with hip dips. This move targets your obliques, tightens your waistline, and gives you that toned, sculpted side-up look. It's the perfect way to end this 10-minute blast. Start by lying on your side with your elbow directly under your shoulder and your legs stacked. Lift your hips so your body forms a straight line from head to feet. You're in a side plank. Now lower your hips down toward the floor, then lift them back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Beginners can keep their bottom knee bent on the floor for support. Advanced exercisers should stack both legs straight and add speed or hold a weight on the hip. This exercise works deep into your oblique muscles, which not only sculpt your waist but also help protect your spine and improve posture. The dipping motion forces your core to engage fully with every rep. As you dip, breathe steadily and keep your body aligned. Feel the sides of your abs working hard, tightening with every lift. This is the final push. Give it everything you've got. Imagine closing out this workout stronger than you started, with your core on fire and your confidence soaring. That burn is your proof you've pushed through, you've shown up, and you're one step closer to your goals. First of all, congratulations. You did it. You just completed a full 10-minute belly fat blast, and that's no small achievement. Most people spend 10 minutes scrolling through their phones or sitting in traffic, but you chose to invest those minutes into your body, your health, and your future. That decision matters, and it's a choice you should be proud of. Now I know it's easy to think it was only 10 minutes. But here's the truth: 10 minutes is powerful. When done with intensity, focus, and consistency, these short workouts stack up to big results. One day becomes a week becomes a month. And before you know it, you're not just losing belly fat, you're stronger, leaner, and more confident than ever. That's the power of building habits, even in the busiest of schedules. Think about what you just accomplished in these 10 minutes. Your heart rate went up, your metabolism kicked into gear, and your core muscles were firing the entire time. You didn't just burn calories during the workout, you've jump-started the afterburn effect, meaning your body will continue torching calories long after you've finished. Every rep, every breath, and every drop of sweat was your body moving closer to your goals. And here's something I want you to remember: fitness is not about perfection, it's about persistence. There will be days when you're tired, days when your schedule feels overwhelming, and days when you don't want to move. But if you can commit to just 10 minutes, even when life feels crazy, you'll build a level of discipline and self-respect that spills over into every part of your life. This workout wasn't just about burning belly fat, it was about proving to yourself that you are capable of making time for what matters. You've shown yourself that no matter how busy you are, you can prioritize your health, and that's huge. Now I want you to take this energy with you for the rest of your day. Walk taller, breathe deeper, smile knowing you've done something positive for yourself. That's the kind of momentum that keeps you coming back tomorrow and the day after that. Because remember, results don't come from doing one big workout, they come from showing up consistently, even in small ways. If you felt the burn today, if you felt that spark of energy inside you, then make a promise to yourself: come back tomorrow. Keep building on what you started today. And if you want to take it a step further, pair this workout with healthy food choices, enough sleep, and staying hydrated. Those little changes will multiply your results even faster. Before you go, let me just say I appreciate you. Thank you for showing up today and trusting me to guide you through this routine. I know your time is precious, and the fact that you spent these 10 minutes here with me means the world. If this workout helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, drop a comment to let me know how you feel right now, and subscribe so you never miss another routine. And if you know a friend or family member who's also busy but wants to lose belly fat, share this video with them. Sometimes all it takes is a little nudge to get someone started. Finally, if you're ready to keep the momentum going, don't stop here. Check out the next workout I've linked at the end of this video. It's designed to pair perfectly with today's routine, so you can keep blasting fat, building strength, and transforming your body one step at a time. So once again, congratulations. You crushed this 10-minute workout. Now go out there, carry this confidence with you, and remember, you don't need hours, you just need consistency. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep moving forward.